Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare crunchy French fries at home which can be prepared and stored for 1 month. Take some potatoes, peel the skin, I am using a cutter to cut it into long pieces. Now our potatoes are ready. Now take some boiling water. Switch off the flame once it started to boil. Add some salt to taste. Soak these potatoes for 5 minutes. It helps in removing the excess starch from these potatoes. After 5 minutes, just drain them and wash it with the cold water. Transfer it into a cloth and wipe it well so that it does not have any moisture. Transfer it into a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of corn flour. You can even add 1 tablespoon of rice flour if you are willing. Salt to taste. Already we have added salt in water, so be careful while adding it. 3 tablespoons of dry red chili flakes. Just mix them up. Now just transfer this into a cover and pack it, and you can freeze it for 1 month and use it instantly whenever you need it. I have frozen it for 3 to 4 days and now I am going to use it. Now just fry this French fries in oil instantly whenever you need. You can even serve it for a simple tea snack recipe. Try this wonderful recipe. I have done this without using any preservative, and you can even store it for 1 month. It is really very crispy from outside and very soft inside. Serve it with tomato ketchup and mayo. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Stay tuned to Healthy Samayal. Eat healthy, stay healthy.